Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to continue working on the Tamiya XV-02 chassis kit. And we're going to be working on steps 44, 45, 46, and 47, which are the remaining electronics. In the previous video, I assembled the servo and I installed it into the chassis already, right there. So today we're going to install the ESC, the receiver. We're going to connect to the motor, do some cable management, and then a little bit of the chassis covers on step 47. So let's go ahead and get started. I think we're going to need the A tree. Some of these parts are in the A tree. Obviously, you're going to need the electronics. So I have the ESC and the receiver right here. And I decided to use this one instead of this one because, like I said in the very beginning, I have the XV-01 and the TT-02 Subaru Rally, and I'd like to compare them, you know, apples to apples, so I'd like to have all the same electronics. All right, so first thing we're going to do is to tape down the ESC and the motor. I'm going to have the ESC here and have the switch taped onto the body piece that's right here. So the ESC's here. In the diagram, ESC's in front, receiver in the back. I'm going to do it opposite. Install it. I believe this is the tape that they have right here, double-sided tape. This looks double-sided to me. And we're just going to cut small strips. Don't worry if you mess up, there's plenty of this tape. I have to put the receiver with this side because the servo wire is not that long. And it's reaching from way across the chassis here. So I think I'm just going to have it right there. I think that should be fine. There's plenty of room in this chassis to put everything, which is awesome. I have so much room for activities over here. All right, so I'm going to tape it like that. If you know where that's from, you can put a comment below. Okay, the ESC and the receiver are in. Now we're going to connect the two. I never know which one is which, but we'll be able to test it out after we connect them. So I'm just going to kind of lightly connect them now. Then I'm going to bring in the battery. Okay, so this is the correct polarity. Red goes to the yellow and black goes to the green wire. That is pretty much step 45, but we do need to put the two pieces on, so let's do that. Let me turn this off. We need to find A6 and two A4s. So there's the A6. One of these is the A6. That's the A6 and that's A4. I think we have to connect it this way. This is obviously to pass wires through. Let's see. And we need to find MC1. Okay, I think it's this one. A little bit hard to find. You only need one. Maybe that's why it was kind of hard to find. I had to use the caliper to measure to figure out which one. So you want it to look like that, and we're going to be screwing it into this hole right there. And now we're going to put that here. Oh, this is more difficult than I thought it would be. I thought this would be a little bit more flexible, but it's not. Okay, so I have the motor cables threaded through. All right, so those are going to line up like that. And we're going to use this screw right here. And this one right here. Okay, there we go. Now we can reconnect these. Okay, real simple. And let's look down here. They're going to tell us to do some cable management. Fortunately, my battery wire, the lead that goes to the battery is quite short, so I don't need to worry about that. These are also quite short, so I'm pretty happy with the way this is right now. This should still work. That should still work. Yeah, that's pretty neat right there. So perfect. I have a feeling the tube is going to go down this way, so I'm just going to leave it right there for now. And this, I'm going to tape it on to this plate right here. So I think we're done with cable management. Securing sensor cable. Yeah, that's what this was for. Now let's go ahead and build the other three. So this one has this little, I don't know, platform. I don't want to know what you're going to call it. I'm not sure what this is for, but well, I guess we'll figure it out later. So this is A5. It's the other piece. It's going to be this piece. This is B7. Okay. So, going to, I think it's like this. Yeah. And it's MA3. MA3 is quite small. So I think it's this one. There's only one of them. That's why I think it's this one. Okay, I looked at the orientation a little bit incorrectly. This piece is actually going to be this piece. So the front is here. You can see the servo link right here. So this piece is actually over here. So this goes right there. And before I put that in there, I'm going to tape the switch. That looks fine. And we just need 2 screws. We did this piece and that piece, those 2 right there. Right here and right here, we need to be careful. There's a washer there, or spacer. So let's cut those out. And it's going to be A6 in the front. All right. It's going to go like that. And we need MC1. I think this is it right here. So this would go into this hole. And then MB2. Yep, so this is one of the MB2s. So then we need A18. Let me put that right here. A18 is going to be these right here. Okay. And we're going to use this screw and that. Okay, and now let's do this side, which is going to be this last one right here. Going to be like this. This one right here. And then this. Oh, we need the washer. So we're done. So after today, the chassis should look like this. Let me see if I can just tie this together. I think I'll just tie this. Good. Now there isn't any loose wire. Is there another one? If there's another one, I'll put it over here. Okay, so it looks really neat, which I like. This is going to go, I think there's going to be a tube there. All right, so today we mounted the ESC, the receiver, we connected to the motor, and we did some cable management. And then we mounted these 4 kind of chassis shields, I guess would be a way to call them. They're going to protect the chassis from dirt coming inside when we put the cover on. Okay, so that's it for today. Next video is going to be the body post and wheels. I think wheels are first. Let's see. Yep, it's going to be gluing wheels. So thanks for watching this video. If you got anything out of it, please drop a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.